Hey guys, it's me Audrey, and today I'm recording because fireworks, since it's 4th of July. I'm not just here alone. My brother is over there at the swings. I know you cannot see, there's no flashlight or anything. I forgot to bring my flashlight. So I'm gonna show you the fireworks, and there's people over there and you can't see them. And by the way, this is my school. Look at that. And yeah, we parked over there. I'm sure you cannot see. We parked over there. And yeah, we parked over there because we're gonna see the fireworks over there with the VR thingy. And my mom said it will start at 9:35. Let me see, what time is it? It's barely 9:30. And yeah, I'm not sure if you can not see the fireworks. There's not much fireworks. Yeah. What? Whatever. Yeah, forget about it. That was my brother. Jesus, I hate him. And yeah, like there's not much fireworks. There's fire. Oh my god. If they burn my freaking school. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that, guys. Jesus, there's not a. Oh my god. So yeah. There's fireworks over there. What? It's barely moon. There's fireworks at Amarillo. Jesus. Oh look. I keep missing the fireworks, guys. I'm so sorry. I saw one that's perfect. I can't see anything. Stupid. Oh shit. Oh, sorry guys, there's another car over there. Oh no, oh my god. Can you see it? It's right there. It's right there, guys. Oh no. And there's another car. Jesus Christ, man, guys. Jesus. Oh my god, there's my other brother. Oh my god, I need to get out of here, guys. I need to get out of here, guys. Oh my god. Why is there people coming to my school? Jesus. The park is so... The park over... I know you cannot see. Oh my god. So yeah, guys. I'm gonna end that video because there's not that much fireworks at all. So yeah, thanks for watching. I know this was a little bit fireworks, but see ya.